Alright, this is an unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Right, this is in metallic copper. Right, well, you may have seen many videos on this, but let's just look at it from a normal user and not a professional YouTuber. Right, I'm just a new novice here. So this is a 512GB, right, with all the functions here, water resistant and all that. Okay, let's just look at the unboxing. Well, this has been unboxed, but what I did was the first thing you should do is to fit the screen protector, right. This is the provided silicone case plus the ejector pin, right. It's the normal silicone case with a quick start guide, right. Let's look into the phone. So as you can see here, brand new phone, starting up. Alright. I've already fitted the screen protector. That's the first thing you should do. Right. No SIM card yet. My phone has already been set up. Alright, what I did was a smart switch from my old phone to my new phone. So the swipe up is where all the apps are. So I've transferred all my apps over. So this is this. Okay, let's look what's inside the box. Alright, one thing which I'm very surprised is all the accessories nowadays come from Vietnam. They are no longer being made in China. All the original earpiece, the original charger. What's this? I could not. All the accessories are made in Vietnam, no longer made in China. So I suppose the phone should be made in Vietnam as well. I could be wrong. Well, a lot of things nowadays are made in Vietnam, no longer made in China as usual. China is maybe becoming more and more expensive, so you can do it there. So the second thing I would do is I will put in the SD card, right. Why I chose this, because it's a class 10 4K video card, and the biggest I've been able to find is a 128GB. Can't seem to get any bigger. Brand new micro SD card. You have a choice, either you put 2 SIM cards or SD card with 1 SIM card. Okay, the SD card is here. Okay, let's have a look at the ejector pin. I've used another ejector pin before this, but this is the original one. So let's get a look at it. Seems to be stuck there very well. Okay, it's out. Right, so as usual, it's on top here. Also make sure after opening to lock it back properly. I had a test 32GB card in there, but I guess it's too small for this. Okay, so also time to retire my old phone, my old S5 phone. Right, it's been with me for some time. I think it's just about the time to go. Right. This has been my trusty phone for quite some time. Time to put it to rest, so to speak. I need my SIM card. It's using the small SIM card. So right, put this down. Along with the new 128 gigabyte memory card, so I will have a total of 640 gigabyte of memory in my card. So let's go. Yep. So mine is a StarHub postpaid. Switch it on. I have no SIM card. Right. So this is done. So this is my unboxing of my brand new Note 9. I hope to learn more about this phone so I can do more videos later, next time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day.